Oliehoorn is a Dutch producer of sauces in the Netherlands. Our main markets are food service and restaurants in Holland. We are market leader for frietsaus, curry and ketchup. Are well known because of our taste and our service we supply to our customers.
Oliehoorn was using since 2005 or 6 SAP Business One. Oliehoorn was looking for logistic solution in the SAP Business One area.
To give our customers the best service, we need real-time and correct information from our ERP system. SAP Business One and Produmex help us to deliver the best service to the customer.
Produmex and SAP Business One makes it very easy for us to link all those processes to each other and get always the right information on the invoice as well as on the waybill as well as in our system and all the traceability. The amount of errors in production as well as in logistics reduced.
In the warehouse, all information is accurate and easy to find. With SAP Business One, I'm always certain to have the right information which is up to date.
Currently are working on our strategy for the future, and we need there a reliable partner like SAP Business One and Produmex to secure our strategy and our growth in future.
Oliehoorn is a well-known brand in the out-of-home market. For the future we expect to grow even further in the retail or consumer markets. Oliehoorn wants to be at every dinner table, if it's out of home or at home. And then the payoff? Oliehoorn maakt het lekkerder.